Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a massive grocery haul for starting keto and all the goodies that I got, and I'll leave links down below to blog posts about how to start keto or starting keto again, as well as my tips for following a lazy keto approach, which is what I do. So today I've started again day one of keto. I'm doing 21 days of keto. It's been a while since I've kind of stuck to it for this long, and I just feel that after all of the past couple of months of all the hashtag quarantine baking and being indoors, I just feel like a bit of a reset, and keto is always good in short term. For me, everybody is different. So I went to Aldi just before and did a massive grocery haul of all the foods that are going to see me through the first few days. So let me show you what I got. So this is the whole haul of goodies that I got at Aldi today. So I'm in Ireland, so this is what I found at my local store. Yours might be different, but just to give you some idea of what to look out for soup at your local supermarket. Starting in the back here with broccoli, some of my favorite vegetables that are low carb keto friendly. Broccoli, I've got lettuce over there, some cucumber too, and mushrooms, and they find their ways into meals. I try and have a serve of veggies with every meal, keeps my fiber up, and good healthy just vitamins, minerals, everything that comes from eating vegetables and goodies I try and include. And I've got my whole natural yogurt over there. Aldi, I like this whole natural yogurt, this whole milk yogurt. It's natural yogurt. Usually Greek yogurt, natural yogurt, plain yogurt are the ones that are lowest in carbs and sugars. And then I tend to sweeten it up with a bit of stevia, some fruit, being either blueberries or raspberries are low carb and keto friendly, or I'll add a bit of my chia jam in just to add some interesting flavors into the yogurt, or I'll make it chia pudding. I've still got loads of chia seeds, so I could make a chia pudding with that. So I've got yogurt, we've got sour cream over there too, which I like to have as a side with meals or maybe in a casserole. It's a useful way to just add healthy fats into a meal. I saw these sweet peppers. Peppers are slightly higher in carbs than other vegetables, and it's up to you how much and what you want to include. So I've just had that I'm going to just chop up a little bit every now and again in meals. And coconut oil, I love cooking in coconut oil, so I always top up on coconut oil at Aldi, as well as butter. I use butter or coconut oil, alternate between the two. Mostly use butter in baking and coconut oil when I'm cooking and frying. And cream, I love using cream to make creamy sweet desserts that are keto friendly. You could really just whip some cream, add a bit of stevia, fold through some raspberries, and you've got a beautiful dessert. You could also add in a bit of cream cheese. Cream cheese I also got from Aldi, but I've still got quite a bit in my fridge from my last shop, so I didn't need to get any more today. And smoked salmon makes such a lovely snack. We also like having it for breakfast. I'll have a portion with some scrambled eggs, like in the picture over there, just minus the toast. I'll have some scrambled eggs, smoked salmon, and avocado. It just makes such a lovely breakfast. Or we can fill a little bit with cream cheese, roll it up, and it makes a lovely snack too. And my chocolate from Aldi. If you followed my channel for a while, you know I love this dark 85% chocolate from Aldi. It's already individually portioned inside, and I'll often just have a square, heat up a bit of almond milk, and it makes the perfect hot chocolate. A good cup of almond milk, which is negligible in carbs. Heat it up, add a bit of cream to just add a bit of good healthy fats, and some dark chocolate, and you've got the absolute perfect hot chocolate. I've got some whole strawberries over there. This is what I pretty much used every single week to make my chia jam. I make it week in, week out, and that continues whether I'm on keto or not. So I just use that whole bag of strawberries and cook them up with some chia seeds and stevia. And you've got chia jam, which you can enjoy, as I said, mixed through some yogurt as a topping for pancakes or waffles. It's just perfect. I'll leave the link to that and a couple of others down below as well to give you some inspiration. I got a pack of avocados. They were on special this week there at Aldi, so I couldn't resist getting avocados. Hopefully they'll be good ones, but go through a good avocado or so a day, which is full of healthy fats, fiber, and so good. And my other vegetable that I like going through as well is spinach. I'll either just have it in a salad, or if I want a really quick breakfast, I'll make some fried eggs and then quickly cook spinach afterwards in the frying pan, just wilt it very quickly. I didn't get eggs. I don't get eggs from Aldi. I get eggs from another supermarket here in Ireland, so I didn't get eggs. So yeah, but eggs are another absolute staple. I've got a couple of cartons of eggs in my kitchen, so I'm good to go with that. And I got a whole chicken, a whole free-range chicken. I was watching on Netflix the other week, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, and she made buttermilk roast chicken, but I actually have her book as well, and she suggested you could use natural yogurt because buttermilk doesn't really agree with me, so I got this natural yogurt. I might also marinate it in the natural yogurt and just see how we go and how that kind of works. So I'm curious to try that out. I'll let you know how I go, but I've got the whole chicken there, which is a brilliant keto staple. You could roast it, as I mentioned, or you could boil the whole lot up and have stock, soup, meat for days. It's just perfect. And as a bit of indulgence, I got these steaks. We'll fry them up for breakfast. Fry up the 2 steaks and I'll share with my kids. We'll have steak and fried eggs one of the days for breakfast as a bit of an indulgence start to the day. But yeah, that chicken will last me. And also over the weekend was one of my kids' birthday and Father's Day, and so we've actually still got a whole lot of leftover meat. I made a roast leg of lamb and also oxtail over the weekend, so we've actually got quite a bit of leftover meat in the fridge. So this has got a good use by date, 6th of July, so we've got plenty of time to use that, and the chicken I'll roast and use in the next few days too. But that is my whole haul of goodies to see me through my first few days on keto. And remember, check down below for link to blog posts which will have loads more inspiration for you, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what you'd like me to share through this 21-day keto adventure of mine. I have been sharing one video a week the last while, but I'm definitely going to up it during this time and share. I've got my notebook as usual full of recipe ideas which I'll be testing and sharing all kinds of deliciousness with you, so you can look forward to that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.